Is your Amana air conditioner running non-stop but failing to cool your home? This is a common problem, and it usually indicates an issue within the refrigeration cycle. Let's look at the refrigeration cycle that makes cooling possible. The most frequent culprits are low refrigerant levels, often due to leaks. Airflow restrictions from dirty filters or coils can also cause the system to overheat and operate inefficiently. Electrical faults like bad capacitors or relays in the control board can lead to constant compressor cycling. Finally, a faulty thermostat might continuously signal for cooling, even when it's not needed. Newer Amana models feature app-based diagnostics that can help pinpoint some of these issues, while older models require manual inspection. Before calling a technician, start by checking and cleaning your AC filters. Dirty filters are a very common cause of reduced cooling efficiency. Next, ensure that all vents throughout your home are clear and unblocked. This maximizes airflow and helps the AC cool more effectively. If the first steps don't resolve the issue, suspect a refrigerant leak. While you can't fix it yourself without per certification due to EPA regulations for refrigerants like R32, you can visually inspect the unit's connections for signs of oil or damage, which could indicate a leak. If your Amana AC is a newer model with smart features, use the Whirlpool app to run diagnostics and identify potential problems. If the issue persists, contacting a qualified HVAC technician is essential. They can accurately diagnose refrigerant leaks, electrical problems, or faulty components and perform the necessary repairs.